how to whitelist an email from somebody that you want in your inbox. They could be going to promotions, they could be going to spam, but if you want to make sure they come into your inbox, you can find the email that you need to be saved. Then you can put from that email there. Then you create a filter. Never send it to spam. Always mark as important. Boom. Another way actually is click on settings, see all settings. Filters and blocked addresses. Create a new filter. And it goes to the same page. See you on the next video, guys.